From its wooden clogs and colorful costumes, to its iconic windmills and Gouda cheese, Holland has pleasures that are unique in the world. And its neighbor Belgium is equally enchanting, with its medieval squares, sophisticated cities, and delicious culinary specialties. But while the Low Countries are wonderful to experience anytime, they are not to be missed in the springtime when tulips, daffodils, roses, hyacinths, and other flowers burst into bloom with a profusion of colors and fragrances. There's no better way to experience these charms than aboard a leisurely Deluxe Vantage river cruise. After all, it's the most relaxing way to explore and the only way to fully appreciate the nautical heritage that has defined these countries for centuries. And there's no better river cruise company to reveal it to you than Vantage. Come sail aboard one of the newest ships in our private fleet, and you'll be pampered by our attentive staff, elegant appointments, welcoming public spaces, and comfortable accommodations. We'll begin our voyage in Holland, where you'll visit the famous Kinderdike Windmills. Venture next into Arnhem, whose World War II battle was the inspiration for the epic film A Bridge Too Far. Here you'll have a choice of tours. Explore the Kröller-Müller Museum with its collection of works by Vincent van Gogh, or delve into World Wars I and II at the National Liberation Museum. You'll also visit Enkhuizen, home of the Zuiderzee Open Air Museum. In Amsterdam, you'll enjoy an included canal cruise and explore the world-famous Rijksmuseum. A highlight of your river cruise is sure to be your day in Keukenhof, the world-famous gardens where 7 million blooms planted in intricate patterns astonish you with their beauty. Venture next into Belgium, where you'll explore Bruges, a medieval city seemingly untouched by time. An included walking tour and canal cruise in this UNESCO World Heritage Site let you appreciate the grace and charm of this showpiece city. You'll also visit Antwerp, the historic diamond capital on the River Scheldt. Beyond the monuments, we introduce you to the people and their traditions through our Cultural Connection series. Look forward to a home-hosted visit in Enkhuizen, a visit to a tulip bulb farm, and more. Cuisine is an important part of any culture, and you'll savor wonderful Dutch and Belgian specialties aboard ship, elegantly prepared from local ingredients. Vantage also includes meals in local restaurants so that you can enjoy an authentic experience of local life ashore. Let this be the year that you discover the springtime splendor of Holland and Belgium for yourself. This unique river cruise is available for 2 months only, and space aboard our intimate ships is limited. Call now toll-free to reserve your space today.